on the shelf. Atomic lizards lick at the blaze of the light that is forever. No move in the solid skies, no gleaming metal out of the breathtaking blue. My golden circus girl soul sailed away. The lion tamers are no longer due to play. Whoever breaks the seven seals and lets the angry angels free, I do not know. Just waiting here for summer rain. For summer rain or anything else. Prophet, hold your head up into a cluster of bees and listen. Love of my life, here is all our honey. Yeah, so we can change the world together. And if we're still invited to walk in this party, I'd go for a saucer full of secrets or more. But last thing I heard of was that God had left the lines for a brand new universe. He was supposed to say, my golden circus girl soul sailed away. The lion tamer